Good morning and welcome to Amber Cove. If you look, we'll see if we can see it right to the right side of that last. You can see, that's the Carnival Freedom heading in here. The whale tailless Freedom. We should be here shortly. I should be parking right there next to us. Still probably not feeling good, so we're probably just going to stay on the ship again today. Nice little aerial view of the big hot tubs back here at the Tides pool.
Well, very good morning, everyone. This is TJ, your cruiser. I'll let you know that we are here in Amber Cove, of course. We have received clearance. We are early, so feel free to head off the ship at this moment in time. If you choose to do so, the gateways are located on Deck 3 forward and Deck 3 midship. Also, make sure you have your sailing sign cards for every single person in your party. Have those room.
I went to Big Chicken and got a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich and a cup of coffee for breakfast. Terry's still laying in the room.
So guys, everyone new, every so often we're going to have someone get stuck on the zip line. On a good day, everyone will get through fine, but if there's against us and it's a little kid, they might get stuck halfway. And we need to help push them around.
I said they're practicing rescuing somebody that won't go the whole course.
How's the float?
So remember guys, the first thing we do is we undo this black strap or the bag might not come down properly. We unhook the bag, but not the rope on top. And we shout, who's going to be my other person? Alicia, awesome. So guys, it's really important that we don't throw the bag over the edge that way. Makes it a lot more complicated. I shout, rope. Yeah.
whale tailless Freedom starting to back in. Hopefully he turns soon or we're both going to be smashed.
Attention, staging area will be located.
Here comes your whale tailless Carnival Freedom. Here we are sitting up here at the Red Frog Tiki Bar on the second level at 11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock and we're in Amber Cove.
But we're not drinking. We're eating ice cream, house divided, cup versus
I'm going
cone.
to try it and see how it goes today.
Yep,
See how my
doing
stomach
good
is.
still.
Yeah.
Hopefully she's going to hold it down. We'll
Yeah,
see.
because we got steakhouse tonight. Yeah.
Or we might move it to Friday night. I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll see.
All right. Wish her luck. Poor little baby.
I'm good.
There means some wild rice, barbecue brisket, and yuck, carrots. Never know who you're going to run into on a cruise ship. There's old Goosty. What's up, brother?
Yeah.
Say hi to RJ and Danny and Max.
I said, yeah, I'm here with Patrick now in Mardi Gras. Yeah.
You come here on
Hey,
the
Patrick.
Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
Come look up
Mantara.
Mantara.
Okay, we'll see you
That sounds like a movie monster.
My daddy, Patrick.
There you
king
go,
of
bud.
Mickey
Nah, he's the
Mouse.
king. He's the king.
He's the king.
He's the king of the Mick Ultra.
All right. Thank you, Patrick.
Sitting at our favorite bar with a beautiful view. So here I am on the Mardi Gras with Jeff and Joanne. And What are we doing?
Having a good time.
At the watering hole, our favorite bar ever. So anyway, Jeff, what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party at 2 cruising.
Ma'am?
Party at 2.
That's right. So keep watching. And you'll be on whatever day this is. This has been kind of a mad cruise, sort of. But anyway, this is a man that drinks all different drinks.
Yes, I do.
He drinks a lot of different drinks. And again, we're at the watering hole, having a great time. Take care. Be careful going back to North Carolina.
Well, you guys have a great time.
Thank you. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Where you going, babe?
We're going to the steakhouse that my baby got us from the casino, and I'm very, very excited.
Don't worry about it. I paid for it.
Dearly.
She don't realize it, but I paid
Yes,
for
I
it.
do, dearly.
We're going to the steakhouse. We'll bring it to you. Yummy, yummy. She's going to get the filet. I'm going to get the lamb chops. We already knew that. Oh, I don't know what she's getting. Oh, we'll see what she gets. Watch. Just pay attention. Here we go. First thing is a cheese biscuit. A biscuit from the chef. I'm not sure what that was, but I'll let you know how it is. Terry's first appetizer, stuffed mushrooms. And my first appetizer, stuffed mushrooms. And French onion soup, very hot. Terry's first side, salad. Those are big plates. Huge. Those are troughs. Those are not plates. Carolyn, what you got?
I got filet mignon with baked potato and a great salad.
I got the lamb chops, mushrooms, baked potato dry. Still waiting on my A1 sauce. But they look yummy, just like I like them. Well done. Terry got the apple strudel. I got the cheesecake.
Now, if the audience cheers, you have won $40. And you're only gonna cheer if that case number 9 has the dollar, okay? If they don't cheer and the case has $40, you will still give her a polite golf clap, okay? So please, just make sure you clap for our friend up here. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Let's open up case number 9. Let's hope this has a dollar, please. Case number 9. What do you contain? Ah, man. Okay, so case number 17 contained the dollar. Jennifer. Okay, we got an answer. Okay, remember just the name. Come on over here and tell us the name of the song, Team Queen. Africa, my tunnel. Oh, okay. Okay, step forward. Oh, okay, come on up.
Good evening. Look who I got up late.
Yeah, but I'm ready to go to bed. I'm going to bed in a little bit. We had a great dinner at the steakhouse and we watched a couple shows.
We did.
It was a lot of fun. With
We watched Deal or No Deal. The first lady, she got a dollar.
The other guy won
The other guy got $3.50, so worked out.
It was a fun night with my mother.
Yep, we had a good time. And she won in the casino. She forgot to tell you that.
Oh, I did.
She always does.
I
She takes her
did.
$25 and she turned it into
65.
$65. She won't even give me any.
I got money now.
Yeah, she won't even give me any. And I won $2 profit.
Oh, so he says.
I did. I cashed it out. I put 100 in, got 102 out. So,
Okay.
all right. Well, I'm gonna head back there in a minute. So
Yeah.
we'll see how that works out. But anyway, we're gonna call it a night, or she's gonna call it a night. No chocolate martini. Not ready for that yet. Maybe tomorrow night. So tomorrow is Grand Turk.
Grand Turk.
Yep, and we're gonna meet our friends over at Jack Shack.
Jack Shack.
They're on the Freedom, and you saw that in the video earlier. And then one more sea day, and then already back home.
Yep.
All right.
Fast.
Yep.
Hi.
All right.
Good
I'll see you
night.
later.
Good night.
Night.
Oh, I got them get a picture with the news.